Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Qigong, a practice that promotes physical and mental well-being through gentle movements and breathing techniques. Qigong has been practiced for thousands of years and has numerous benefits, including reducing stress, improving balance and flexibility, and boosting the immune system. To begin your Qigong practice, find a quiet and comfortable space. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, relax your shoulders, and take a few deep breaths. Next, we will demonstrate the first Qigong movement, called opening the energy gates. Begin by raising your arms to shoulder height, palms facing forward. Inhale deeply and slowly raise your arms above your head. Exhale and slowly lower your arms back to shoulder height. Repeat this movement for several breaths, focusing on the sensation of energy flowing through your body. Remember to breathe deeply and slowly throughout the movement. As you become more comfortable with the first movement, you can add additional movements to your practice. Remember to listen to your body and only do what feels comfortable. Congratulations, you have completed your first Qigong practice. Remember to practice regularly to experience the full benefits of this ancient practice. Thank you for watching our comprehensive guide on Qigong. We hope this video has inspired you to begin your own Qigong practice and experience the many benefits it has to offer.